Be ready. Start. It has now been decided that the following procedure should be observed in the following types of cases. Stop. Where another government or another department of the state government advertises for a post or asks for names directly or through the Public Service Commission. Stop. In such a case, the rules contained in Part 2 in Punjab Government notification referred to above should apply. Stop. The department which forwards the application should satisfy itself that the applicant will be suitable for the post and fulfills the required qualifications and that his services can be spared without detriment to work and a suitable substitute will be available. Stop. When it is considered that the proposed transfer would not be consistent with the interests of public service, the application should be refused. Stop. In a case where the application is forwarded and is accepted by the other government or the other department of the same government, the question of the retention of the officer's lien or otherwise shall be determined on the merits of each individual case. Stop. If the transfer or deputation is for a long period, the lien could be suspended and later on cancelled on the officer's confirmation, etc. Stop. In this connection, the relevant rules contained in the Fundamental Rules and the Civil Services Rules Punjab should be followed. Stop. Where another government or department of the state government asks the head of the department, etc., for the names of suitable officers for particular posts. Stop. In forwarding names, the following considerations should be borne in mind. Stop. It should be considered whether an officer can be spared with due regard to the requirements of the state or the department in which the officer is serving. Stop. If not, there should be no hesitation in giving a refusal to the demanding or borrowing government or department. Stop. In this connection, it should be understood that the interests of the state may require that our officer should be allowed to go, and similarly the interests of another department in the same state may be greater than the interests of the department in which the officer may be serving. Stop. If an officer can be spared, his selection should be carefully made and strictly on considerations of merit. Stop. No sifarish, personal pull or other considerations of that kind should be allowed to intervene in the matter of selection of name or names. Stop. The only criterion should be fulfillment of qualifications and suitability. Stop. It should be remembered that considerable heartburning may result if the names are not selected on consideration of merit, integrity, credibility, and suitability, etc. Stop. Where two or more names of officers or officials have to be forwarded, the same should be, wherever possible or desirable, arranged in order of Merit. Stop.